So here we have the box of the Xperia 10 Mark III. It's a relatively ordinary looking box. Let's open it up right now. Before we do that, let's take a look at the specs. So we have a triple camera with a 12 megapixel sensor, an 8 megapixel telephoto, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. We also have an 8 megapixel front camera. We have a Full HD plus HDR OLED screen of 6 inches, a 4500 mAh wattage capacity battery, and we have the Snapdragon 690 5G CPU. The device is also IP65, 68, water and dust resistant. And of course, we have microSD card expansion. Now let's take a look. At the top of the box, we find the device itself. We have some instruction booklets. Quite a few. And we have the cable. Very painfully though, as was actually shown on GSM Arena. The device is now shipped without a charger. No charger in the box on a mid-range device. That is slightly baffling. Now let's take a look at why we're here. That is the Xperia 10 Mark III. Obviously this is the black variant. And it looks alright. Let's peel off the stickers. We also have NFC. We turn on the phone. And as we do that, you can actually see that we have an extra button, we have the power button and a volume rocker. On this side, you can actually put your finger here, pull out. SIM and then doubles. Some micro SD card slot. I'll be right back as I set up the device. What I do like about Sony's setup is that it actually lets you choose which apps are being pre-installed on your device. That is a nice additional feature. And now we're being asked to choose system navigation. Of course, I'm choosing just the navigation. All in all, I must say that the UI just seems very clean and that this is a nearly stock Android experience. Once we've finished, we have now greeted onto the home screen, which looks very sleek and very minimalistic, with typical Sony-esque animations and presentation of the UI. Another nifty feature of the Sony Xperia 10 Mark III is the side gestures called Side Sense. It's very customizable and aids in creating shortcuts on the menu of your phone. The UI again feels very smooth and very stable, and is quite enjoyable to use. All in all, on the first impression, the Xperia 10 Mark III seems to be a decent device. Of course, you'll have to stay tuned for the full review on this device to see our full conclusion. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video and Happy New Year to everyone. MeTech is going to try and make a push for it this year, and we need your help to do it. So as always, if you aren't already, kindly subscribe and like this video, as it helps out the channel massively. A massive thank you in advance. Cheers, and I'll see you in my next video.